Welcome. Today I'm going to be redoing a blackboard that I have in my office. I'll show you where it is currently. I've taken the stuff off it that was on there, like my book covers and stuff. And then I'm going to be sanding it down and repainting it with blackboard paint, and then redoing the lines on it that I have for the month. You'll see what I mean when I show you. And because at the moment when I try and write on it, it's too smooth, so the chalk doesn't even want to write on it, just goes across it, like it runs across it the whole time. So I'm going to be fixing that, and I thought I'd bring you with me. But I will show you what paint I use in that, and then if you need to do your own blackboard, then you can follow along. So let's roll the intro and get on with it. I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews, and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey, and let's have fun together. You will need masking tape, and the paint that I'm using is the Fired Earth chalkboard paint in black with bubblegum smell. And then I'm going to be using this one again, which is the same color, which is chalkboard with chalk paint from Craftex, and the color is bubblegum. Then I've got my silver Sharpie to rewrite the days of the week. This is for the chalkboard paint, and this one is for the other paint. So I'm going to start by putting the masking tape around the frame and the edges to protect the frame. Please just excuse my voice over, but my domestic lady was busy vacuuming by the door, and you can... Some of the stones had come out, so I had to dust off the frame quite aggressively, and yeah, because of that, some of the stones came out. So I used ready-made polyfiller basically to fill up the places where the grout had also come off of the frame. And I glued the stones on using clear . So this is what it looks like. So now I just need to wait for this layer to dry so I can put another layer on. I think I'll probably need to put 3 layers on. I've done the lines with the masking tape. Now I'm just going to paint in between the pieces. Getting so hot out here, it feels like my brain is stalling because now I've made a mistake, but it's fine, I'll fix it when it's dry. that's done. I'll show you the end result in better lighting. And this is the board finished. I can feel it's a lot rougher than what the previous board was, so the chalk should actually come on, you know, right onto it very nicely, and I shouldn't have any problems with it, I'm hoping. Because I know with the previous board I used my chalk markers, which is supposed to just wash off with let me just take that out, let me turn the camera around. So with the chalk I used chalk markers on my board previously, and they say on the packaging that you should be able to just wash it off with water, and it didn't want to come off. I had to actually use rubbing alcohol to get it off the board, and I think it has something to do with the fact that it was like shiny and not like the roughish, you know, like a chalkboard is usually a bit on the rough side. So let's see how it works. I'm hoping that it will, I don't know if I really want to try the chalk markers again in case I have to try and use rubbing alcohol again, which I don't know if this board will take it, but you know, if you don't venture out, you won't learn. So that was the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, if you can please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, and it also helps me with all the YouTubey things, and just helps my channel grow, which I really would like. This year I have a goal for it, and you'll be helping me reach that goal. And if you go to the description block below, you'll also find all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And also if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you will also find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and then also what I do on my blog. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, you'll sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.